In this video, I will show you how to see your Instagram password if you've forgotten it. It's a simple process, so let's get started. First, open your Instagram app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then, tap on Account Center. From here, click on Password and Security. Then tap on Change Password. Now, select your account. You'll notice that Instagram doesn't allow you to see your current password, but there's a trick to find it. Open your phone's browser. I'm using Google Chrome and search for Instagram. Once you're on the Instagram page, click Login. Here, you'll enter your username, but if you don't remember the password, simply click on the password field. Google will suggest that you've saved the password for your account. Click on it, and once you do, you'll see an eye icon. Tap on the eye icon and your password will be revealed. That's all. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.